Hi, welcome to my capstone reflective video. First of all, hope everyone's having a great day. And I'd like to just show you all of the textures and how they look in Game Engine. Uh, by the way, for this project, I wanted to do this project because I want to be a visual effects artist and a 3D prop artist, primarily prioritizing in like just the modeling, unwrapping, and texturing part of that process in the industry when I get out of school. And I felt this was the easiest way to do it, as I just know enough scripting to do the functionality of the grenades in this project in Unreal Engine. For the modeling, I used Blender, and for the texturing, I used Substance Painter. Sorry, the modeling and the unwrapping, I used Blender, and then the texturing was done in Substance Painter. As I'm better with that at that one than I am at 3D Coat. Here's just to take a quick look at my grenades and how those turned out. And then here's a quick look at how the materials look for all of them. I decided to do the packed map for the ambient occlusion, the roughness, and the metalness map, and then the normal and the albedo with an opacity layer have their own, primarily for the fact that this EMP is faked with glass, as well as so is this flashbang to save on resources, and the Semtex as well, and then I guess technically the C4 as well. But these are all used just to fake and save some resources on people's engines and on their devices. And then here's to take a look at the table. And then for the visual effects, and then I will show you the sounds first. So here's all the cues. And here's just a look at one of the cues. It's just a simple input output. And then in the blueprints, we're going to have our training bot, which is going to have, it doesn't display it right now, but it displays it in the demo video, where it has an actual UI over their head. I was not able to get the damage to work, so that was a bit unfortunate. But you have a C4, EMP, so on and so forth, as you can obviously see for the blueprints, and these all have scripting inside of them. I'll just show one of them. So here's just the grenade detonates in X seconds on here. And then in the first person blueprints character, I believe it is. First person blueprint, you're going to have all these different things, and they're all pretty much the same here, but you got all these throwable functions here. And then I would like to show you the effects for sure. So let me show you that. But everything, as you see, is categorized into what they should be, and you have all of these here. I'm just going to show you the grenade one, as that is probably, I wouldn't say it's like the most complex, but it's got a lot going on to it right here. So got a lot going on of these two here. And I was able to use the confetti to kind of give me a, start here and then go from there. And that's pretty much it. I had a really fun time making this project. It took me about roughly, I want to say, like over the total time it took me to do all the modeling and stuff, I want to say it took me about 3 to 4 months. I think if this was the only thing I had to do and I wasn't trying to take other classes and so on and so forth, it would take me about 2 months to do all this. And actually to have it flushed out with damage on the character's health bar and so on and so forth. But when you have to take classes and do other projects, that takes up time. But thank you for watching my reflective video, and hope you have a good day.